Hey superhero coder, ready to power up your Iron Man kit and bring your inventions to life? Let's set up your gear in 7 simple steps. Get your USB cable, your laptop, and your excitement. We're diving in. Step 1. Download the CYE Code Uploader, your mission control app. Select the Mac OS application that matches your MacBook version. The download will start automatically. Once the download finishes, double-click on the downloaded file from that pop-up to open it. Step 2. Connect the Iron Man kit. Time to connect your Iron Man suit. Use the USB-C cable to connect your laptop and your Iron Man board. Step 3. Install the software. Drag the CYE uploader icon into the Applications folder. Choose Open to approve it the first time Mac OS asks for confirmation. Step 4. Allow the app in Terminal. Open Terminal, enter the command shown, and press Enter to run the command. Once complete, navigate to Applications, open the CYE Uploader app. Step 5. Select the correct port. Let's get your app talking to your kit. Select the port that looks like COM. That's your Iron Man secret signal channel. If it doesn't show up, unplug and replug your kit. It should refresh and appear. Step 6. Upload your first code. It's coding time. Click on Learning Sessions button. It will open your learning curriculum page. Scroll down and check out the first class. Simply copy-paste or directly click on Start Coding button. Now check the port connected and then click on Compile and Upload button. Then your code start uploading in Iron Man device. Wait for few seconds. And boom. If you see Upload Completed message, you just upload your superhero program successfully. Step 7. Need help with your kit? Need backup? Our support squad is online, just ping us, message us or mail us. Click to support form, fill the form, ask questions, or get help from our tech team. You are officially on your superhero coding journey with CYE. Now dive into further classes. Explore sensors, play with lights, and master the art of tech wizardry.